Elsa, Kristoff, and Lila stood together in the glowing clearing, their hands tightly linked. The air was thick with the magic of the forest, and the once ominous shadows had slowly receded, replaced by the soft, peaceful glow of the crystal. They had faced many challenges, but now, standing as a united family, they felt an unshakable sense of strength and love. "We are a family," Elsa said softly, her voice steady but full of emotion. "Our hearts are full of love, kindness, and courage. We've overcome everything because we are together." She gazed at Kristoff and Lila, her eyes shining with pride and warmth. The forest grew quiet, as if it were listening to her words. The soft rustling of the trees and the distant chirp of birds became a harmonious backdrop to the stillness that surrounded them. Slowly, the crystal's brilliant glow softened, its light shifting from an intense, fiery brilliance to a more soothing, gentle radiance. It floated gently from the pedestal, its glow pulsating with the rhythm of their hearts. The crystal came to rest in Elsa's outstretched hand. Elsa smiled, feeling the warmth of the crystal's magic pulse through her fingertips. She could feel its power, its potential, but more than that, she felt a deep sense of peace. "The crystal will grant us one wish," Elsa said, her voice gentle but filled with an unspoken understanding. She looked at her family, her heart swelling with love. "But I think our journey together has already been the greatest gift. The lessons we've learned, the courage we've discovered within ourselves, those are the things that truly matter." Kristoff, standing beside her, nodded in agreement. His eyes reflected the same sense of pride and love for their little family. "What matters most," he said, "is that we've done this together as a family. No magic in the world can replace the bond we share." Lila, her face beaming with excitement and joy, laughed, her bright eyes twinkling. "And we learned a lot along the way," she added. "Like how to be brave, how to help each other, and how family makes everything better." She jumped up and down in excitement, her energy infectious. With the crystal safely in Elsa's hands, they turned to head back home. But as they walked, the magic of the forest seemed to follow them, a gentle breeze lifting the leaves around them. They had come through the trials together, supporting one another every step of the way. And with each step they took, the love they shared seemed to grow stronger, more radiant than the crystal itself. The journey had been filled with challenges, but the love they had for one another had always guided them. As they walked through the forest, their hearts full of new memories, they knew that no matter what came next, their unity would carry them through anything. No challenge could ever break their strength, and the greatest magic of all was the love they had for each other. They walked hand in hand, knowing that their adventure together had deepened their connection as a family. The forest, once a place of mystery and danger, now felt like home, filled with the warmth and magic of their love.